welcome back. Today we are going to be speaking on one of the most loveliest people I have ever met. And she is a single mom with twin toddlers. So there is no way she can go and grab another job in order to achieve her goals. And her main goal is to get her truck loan paid off. She has $30,000 left with an 8% interest rate, which is costing her $783 a month. Income after bills left over, she has $125. Other expenses, she has rent, utilities, groceries, childcare, insurance. And as you see, they're all up there. Rent is $850, utilities is $150, so that's $1,000 there. Then she has groceries and childcare, which is another $900 together, insurance, which is $300. So her goal is to pay off this loan to create financial stability for her and her little ones. Here, you're going to be able to see how we're going to implement the Dave Ramsey baby steps. First, she will need to get a $1,000 emergency fund. So we're going to say maybe selling some items or some type of side hustle that is not going to take her away from her little ones. And then she's going to be able to budget every dollar and focus on paying off this truck debt. So that is what we're trying to do. So we want to make sure that we can pay this off timely. And right now we are looking at if she can actually get this done, add in that additional $1.25 that she has left over every month, which is going to be a little over $900 at that point that she's going to have in order to pay off this truck loan. We can get it paid off in 39 months. That's 3 years, 3 months. And she's, of course, going to have to pay interest on this. And it's going to be almost $4,000, but it's really simple. It's a structured approach, something that she can actually manage without having to go and get another job. So with this, she is just going to use cash only. She will not need to get a line of credit. And then she's going to be able to just focus on the little ones. Now, the thing with this approach is going to be a little slower to pay off compared to our next method. And let's go. So our next method is going to be the velocity banking method. And with this one, she can leverage a low interest line of credit or a credit card. And of course, you want a small interest on that as well. We do not want to get one of those that are going to be talking about 18%, 29%, which is the average out there now. So she is going to use that additional $125 a month as she's been doing. And she's going to be able to throw that in and make sure she can get this thrown down just a little bit sooner. I'm just going to repeat that process on that truck, which is going to be able to pay this off a little sooner. So the time to pay off the loan is going to be 33 months, 2 years and 9 months. Total interest paid is going to be $27.50, which is less. But that's only if she can get a low interest line of credit. If she cannot, then that could be a significant amount more. So this is going to be a faster loan payoff. The savings is going to be $1,200 in interest. And the challenge is you have to be disciplined. Like, you cannot go in here and be all willy-nilly and just think that, oh, I can. No, you cannot. You have to make sure that you get this paid off. And this line of credit is just not going to work. So this is something that is going to be if she feels that she can make this work. If not, I would definitely say do not do this one. So with the Dave Ramsey approach, this is going to be monthly payments of $908. And the payoff time is going to be 39 months. And interest paid is going to be $3,900. And the savings is going to be baseline because she's only going to have that certain amount that she can save because everything else is going to go towards this truck. With velocity, it's going to be $908 after the LOC, and this is going to be 33 months. So this is going to be 6 months less. And then if she gets that low interest line of credit, it's only going to be $2,700 in interest paid. And the savings is going to be a negative $1,200. But, these are going to be the comparisons of both strategies that she will be able to utilize. So, additional suggestions that I'm thinking that could actually work for her as well. Downsize this truck, trade it in or sell it because the payments are high. And that's just taken away from her and her family, if you're asking me, my opinion. But I would definitely downsize. Also, I would seek childcare assistance. She could explore different government programs, nonprofits, or shared childcare options to reduce that monthly expense. I mean, soon the kids will be in school and she will be able to throw more into that. Also, food assistance. The local food banks, they have some great things out there. I have seen it and I'm like, wow, that's really impressive. Programs like WIC, because it can offset the grocery costs, at least for the kids. And then boost her income. So she can, do things from home, like freelancing or, and home childcare that she can offer to individuals that work night shift that doesn't have that option to take their kids to a childcare facility, or delivery services. You can do Uber Eats and your little one's going to be in the car with you. So you have those things that will also boost your income. And then, of course, sell things on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Etsy, anything that you can think of that's going to be able to help you pay this off if you do still decide to have this truck. But if you decide that you want to move on from the truck and you want to do something completely different, then that's okay too, because you will be able to save money on a maybe used vehicle or a vehicle that is half the price of this one. You might be able to get you a nice vehicle for under $15,000 that is still new. I don't know. Haven't bought a new car in a long time. Really don't believe in buying new cars, but that's still an option as well. So look, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and forward it on to other individuals that love budgeting, love savings, and want to pay off their debt. Have a great one, everyone.